Hey, good morning. Chuck here at Apple Drains. Today we're going to work on an overflowing toilet. You know, this is holiday season and you're going to have guests. I hope this doesn't happen to you, but if it does, this will help prepare you of how to unclog that toilet. Okay, so what I've got is a bucket of water, and this is about 5 gallons. And what we're going to do is dump this bucket down in here, and what's going to happen is it's either going to overflow because it would not push the stoppage out, or it's going to push the stoppage out and this is going to drain. And it will only work if it is feces or toilet paper. It will not work if you've got this stuff down in there. You know, toothbrush can get lodged clear to the back, down by the seat of this toilet. It can get all the way back there. This will not work for that, but let's give this a try. And again, do this at your own risk. So basically, we've got a lot of weight here from the water. And you can see it didn't go down, did it? It's still full. But I'll bet you that here in a few seconds, this starts to drop. And if not, then it still could be feces, toilet paper, or it could be some type of plastic or some type of object that got back there. Now we're going to use the plunger, but we're going to wait a few seconds to see if this goes down.
Okay, this might seem silly, but let me show you how to use the plunger the proper way.
Okay, we're going to go ahead and try the plunger. And if you don't have a plunger, I would suggest you get one with a stem, because this is going to make a really tight seal there at the bottom of the bowl. It's a much better plunger than ones that are like this. You know, those plungers, they work, but this one is much better. And the way that we're going to do this is we want to fill up that plunger a little bit, get a little bit of water in it, and we're going to push this down to the bottom of this tank, this bowl, and we want to get a good seal right on top. The way the plunger works is we're going to push down and pull back. The actual way that this works is that as you pull back, it's going to loosen that stoppage. So let's push down and pull back. Push down, pull back. You got to do it hard. And there it goes. Just like that. We've got that thing open. Now, before we say it's open, we need to do one more thing. And this is where I like my bucket of water, because I'm just going to pour it down in there directly all at once. And you can see that toilet is clean. There's some debris here, but that line of the toilet inside the bowl is clean. So let's go ahead and test it with some toilet paper. Always test it. Don't just think it's clean. Put a good amount of paper in there, just like it would be your waste. And let's go ahead and flush it. Very nice, very nice. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this up a little bit for the customer, and this is really all done. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you will. Have a great day.
Hola, mi nombre es Candela. Si crees en algo, te aseguro que lo vas a lograr.